Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this website hosting service called Resellerclub. So here's a breakdown. Resellerclub is a hosting provider geared towards reseller agencies and developers, offering a wide range of service from shared hosting and VPS to dedicated server, domain registration, and email hosting. It's built to give you the flexibility, whether you are launching a client site or managing multiple projects with a dashboard that centralizes your product and simplifies billing. The pros include the broad service option, the competitive pricing, the white labeling for resellers, and solid uptime together with good integration with popular platforms like WordPress and cPanel. The downside are that the support quality can vary sometimes and the interface isn't as polished as some premium hosts. Some users also note upsells during the checkout and added costs for advanced features like managed service or backup. So talking about the cons, it includes the inconsistent support, a somewhat dated control panel experience, and the extra fee for optional services. So in my opinion, I actually think the Resellerclub is what you use in 2025 if you want a versatile hosting with resale capabilities. Great for agencies or developers managing multiple sites, for solo bloggers or beginners who just want a setup more streamlined host might feel easier, and that's it.